Let's say there is a channel who always talks bad about Islam, right? And you are watching just to get to know what are they talking about. When you watch once, twice, and you do share, you are actually making them famous. You are spreading their numbers. You are making a more views, right? In India, there is so many channels always talks bad about minorities, always talks bad about Muslims. Even in USA, there's one channel always creates such kind of rumors about Islam, some kind of propaganda against Islam. If we watch every single day, every single time, and we share their videos, we are actually increasing their numbers. So what we have to do not watch. If let's say something is very wrong and we have to raise our voice against, then what we have to do, you just download the video and share privately to thousands of people so they should know what's going on. When we actually increase the number, with that actually we are making them famous, which is absolutely not good. Another way of not supporting them, do not support a bad cause. Another way of not supporting them is to not follow, to not share, to not subscribe to such channel, to not follow these people. There are so many people. Let's say somebody is adult actor, adult actress, in the porn industry. What do? You like their page, like her picture, like his pictures. What are you doing? You are actually unnecessarily making a huge sin. Let's say the picture you are liking right now, it's not very bold, but actually once you like it, what happens? You are actually giving him money, giving her money, no matter if it is in few cents, but actually Google, YouTube, TikTok, everything, they give money to them when you actually keep watching them. So please stay away from such things. And the same thing actually goes, even if you have a fake ID, do not even do with that too. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect all of us. Always be supportive to the good cause.